Ford Motor Company today announced new strategic steps to strengthen its Ford Plus plan, aggressively reallocating capital to align with customer demand and drive more profitable long-term growth. In its new strategy, Ford is shifting its focus to opportunities with higher returns. This includes leveraging its U.S. manufacturing facilities to increase truck and van production and launching a new battery energy storage business, which is considered to have significant growth potential. Along with these steps, Ford has decided to discontinue production plans for several large electric vehicles, which it has determined are no longer commercially viable due to lower than expected demand, high production costs, and regulatory changes. This new approach prioritizes affordability, choice, and profitability. Ford will expand powertrain options, from hybrids to long-range electric vehicles, while focusing its all-electric vehicle development on its flexible universal EV platform aimed at smaller, more affordable models. Ford President and CEO Jim Farley emphasized that these changes are driven by customer needs. He stated that operating conditions have changed, prompting the company to shift capital to higher-yielding growth areas, such as Ford Pro, its flagship line of trucks and vans, hybrid vehicles, and its high-margin battery energy storage business. These strategic moves are expected to pave the way for profitability of the Model E division by 2029, with annual performance improvements starting in 2026. Furthermore, Ford Blue and Ford Pro are projected to see gradual profitability improvements, with initial indications of benefits beginning in 2026. As a result of these strategic adjustments, Ford expects to record approximately $19.5 billion in special items, the majority of which will occur in the fourth quarter of 2025, with the remainder in 2026 and 2027. Of this amount, approximately $5.5 billion is expected to impact cash flow, with the majority of the payments made in 2026. To support the implementation of this strategy, Ford and its subsidiaries plan to hire thousands of workers across the United States, strengthening its position as the nation's largest employer of hourly automotive workers. This updated strategy rests on four key pillars. Ford targets that by 2030, approximately 50% of its global sales volume will consist of hybrid vehicles, extended-range electric vehicles, and all-electric vehicles, a significant increase from approximately 17% in 2025. Electric vehicle development in North America will be centered on the new, low-cost, and highly flexible universal EV platform. This next-generation architecture is designed to support the mass production of efficient and affordable small-size electric vehicles, making them accessible to millions of consumers. The first model to use the universal EV platform will be a fully connected mid-size pickup truck, scheduled to begin assembly at the Louisville assembly plant in 2027. Ford also plans to expand its hybrid vehicle lineup with a range of variants to meet customer needs, from fuel-efficient hybrids to high-performance hybrids to hybrids with power delivery capabilities. For its large trucks and SUVs, Ford is adjusting its strategy to better align with customer demand for capability, towing, and range, including offering longer-range electric options. As part of this strategy, the next-generation Ford F-150 Lightning will transition to the extended-range electric vehicle (EREV) architecture and be produced at the Rouge Electric Vehicle Center in Dearborn, Michigan. Meanwhile, production of the current generation F-150 Lightning has been halted, as work is being transferred to the Dearborn truck plant to support additional production lines for gasoline and hybrid F-150 trucks due to the impact of the Novelis fire. Doug Field, Ford's head of EV, digital, and design, called the F-150 Lightning an innovative product that proves that an electric pickup can retain the F-Series character. The next-generation EREV version is said to be a significant leap forward by still offering all-electric power and quick acceleration while delivering a range of more than 700 miles and impressive towing capability. Meanwhile, Ford has decided not to proceed with plans to produce a new electric commercial van for Europe, although it will maintain its existing electric van lineup in that market. In North America, the planned electric commercial van will be replaced by a new, more affordable van with gasoline and hybrid powertrain options, which will be produced at the Ford Assembly Plant in Ohio. This move complements Ford's plan to launch 5 affordable vehicles by the end of the decade, with 4 of them assembled in the United States. Ford also aims to have nearly its entire portfolio offer a hybrid or multi-energy powertrain option before the end of the decade. Furthermore, Ford recently announced strategic changes to its European business, including new leadership appointments and a product offensive plan that will bring a generation of multi-energy vehicles to European customers. Ford also announced a strategic partnership with Renault to jointly develop electric vehicles in the commercial and passenger segments.